Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by unplugging your Google Home for 10 seconds and then plug it back in. Confirm your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi name and that you have the correct password. Move the speaker within 1 meter of the router during the setup process to improve signal strength. Turn off any mobile hotspot or VPN on your phone while you set up the device. Check if your internet modem shows a working connection and if other devices can browse the web. Open your router settings and verify whether you should use the 2.4 GHz network for setup. Disable AP isolation and any MAC address filtering temporarily to allow the speaker to join. Make sure DHCP is enabled so the router can assign an IP address to your Google Home device. Check that the router firmware is up to date and reboot the router if firmware updates were applied. If you use a guest network, do not use it for Google Home during the initial configuration steps. If reboots fail, perform a factory reset by holding the device microphone or reset button until you hear confirmation. Reinstall the Google Home app on your phone and follow the in-app setup flow precisely to add the device back to your network. Assign a static IP to the device from your router if DHCP continues to fail or IP conflicts appear. Verify your ISP has no outage and try connecting using another router or hotspot for diagnosis. Contact Google support only after you document steps and try one last reset.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.